Good morning students. Today's topic for circuit analysis is series and parallel circuit from the first unit. In this video I will be covering what is series and what is parallel circuits in parallel. So you can see this is a simple model of a series circuit. Here the cross indicates the one or two or three or resistors connected in a single path. So what do you mean by series circuit is when two or more resistors connected one end after another to form a single path for the current flow. This is called the series circuit. And you can see here a battery is connected at the top and all the whatever the connected as resistors nothing but the bulbs, so which is connected in a series manner. So that will not glow that much bright. So next, here the potential is shared between all the light bulbs. So the current flow for each bulb will be same. So the brightness will also be same. If a one bulb or one resistor is removed from the circuit, then the total circuit will be a open circuit. So you don't have any passage through the circuit. Next we will see about the parallel circuit. Here all components are connected in parallel, that is all components are connected with their corresponding ends joined together, the top and the bottom ends, both the ends are joined with each other. This is called as the parallel circuit. So here each bulb are connected to the battery. In the series connection, a battery is connected one by one with the resistors. Here each resistors are individually connected to the battery. So each resistors, or we can call it as bulb for practical, is getting same type of voltage. So everything will glow independently. One will not affect the connection of the other. So here in parallel connection each bulb will have higher brightness. So we can say a series connection bulb brightness will be less when compared to that of the parallel connection circuits. If one resistor is removed from the circuit, then the circuit will not be broken. You can see the second bulb is removed. So the smiley will be indicating in a sad manner, the other two bulbs are in a bright manner. So you can able to find out the practical difference between the series and parallel circuits. So here I have given the comparison between the circuit. So compare the series and parallel circuit individually. Here the current has one path to flow. The reading of A1 will be equal to reading of A2, but here current will be splitted into two different paths. So A will be equal to A1 plus A2. So current is shared. Here series circuit current is flowing through the resistors. So here the reading of V is equal to reading of V1 plus V2. Here reading on V1 is equal to reading on V2. Voltage will be same. Here potential difference are shared, it is voltage is shared in the series circuit. Here voltage is not shared in the parallel circuit. Here the current is shared whereas voltage will be common. So you can able to find out the difference here. When one bulb has broken out, then the other circuit will be broken. But in parallel circuit, if one is broken, the other will be glowing. So here the difference is given, dimmer bulbs and here brighter bulbs, less voltage across each bulb and here higher voltage across each bulb. In the series circuit less current will be passes through, but in parallel circuit larger current will be passes through. So this is your example of the series circuit and the parallel circuit. If you need to find out the total current, the current flowing through R1, R2, R3 is equal. So I1 is equal to I2 is equal to I3. But here total current has to summed up. Here voltage has to summed up. Here and the parallel circuit current has to summed up. Each circuit are differentiating with everything. Current, when we consider current, series circuit will have independent current, parallel circuit will share the current. But in voltage, series circuit will share the voltage, parallel circuit will not share the voltage. Here resistance is equal to R1 plus R2, R3 you know for series circuit, but in parallel circuit 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 is equal to 1 by R. So that's all about the series and parallel circuit. So we can see the problem regarding the series and parallel circuit in the next class.